In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache and cookies on Microsoft Edge in Windows 11. Updated 2026 Full Guide. Clearing your cache and cookies is a quick way to fix loading issues, sign-in problems, and out-of-date pages. It also frees up storage and helps Edge run more smoothly. I'll walk you through the exact steps, explain what each option means, and share a few tips so you choose the right settings for your situation. First, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 computer. Make sure you're on the main browser window. Next, look to the top right corner of Edge and click the three dots to open the menu. From there, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Edge's controls. On the left sidebar, select Privacy, Search, and Services. This area manages tracking prevention, browsing data, and cleanup tools. It's where we'll clear the cache and cookies. Now scroll down until you find the Clear Browsing Data section. Click. Choose what to clear. A panel will appear with a list of data types and a time range. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Cookies store things like site preferences and sign-in states. Clearing them often resolves account or card issues, but it will likely sign you out of most websites. Cached images and files are stored copies of pages and media that help sites load faster. Removing them can fix display glitches and free up space, though pages might load a bit slower the first time afterward as the cache rebuilds. Before you continue, set the time range. Your options typically include last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. If a problem started recently, try last 7 days or 24 hours. If you want a thorough reset, choose all time. Leave other categories unchecked if you only intend to clear cookies and cache. This keeps your browsing history, downloads list, and saved passwords intact. When you're ready, click Clear Now. Edge will process your request. This can take a few moments depending on how much data is stored. When it's finished, go ahead and restart Microsoft Edge to apply everything cleanly. Simply close the browser and open it again. After the restart, expect to sign in again to some sites, and don't worry if a page takes a moment longer to load the first time. That's normal as the cache is rebuilt. That's it. You've cleared cache and cookies in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11, which should resolve many common browsing issues and give you a fresher, faster experience.